Learning skills is also a skill by which we can get a knowledge. So skills are more important than knowledge. Without skills, without the help of skill, you can't get knowledge. So skills are better than
As
knowledge.
all of us know that knowledge is the most powerful weapon in the world. Because knowledge is present, that's why we are gaining every information about anything. So that's why I'm supporting
They
knowledge.
watch and read many and many times. They learn better than they learn in offline. One concept or one page was completed in one time in a 40-minute period. But what about it? New methods and new technology.
Will you play online cricket? Will you play online cricket? Will you do experiment online? Will you do experiment online? No, it is impossible.
Topic is which is more important, knowledge or skill? And the second competition will be between Patel House and Shivaji House. The competition will be which is more better, ऑनलाइन स्टडी और ऑफलाइन स्टडी. दो टॉपिक हमारे द्वारा रखे गए हैं. स्किल ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है या नॉलेज, और सेकंड टॉपिक है ऑनलाइन स्टडी ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल है या फिर ऑफलाइन स्टडी. तो हमारे पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं आजाद हाउस से.
My name is Janvi Raghuvanshi from Azad House.
My name is Vineet Raghuvanshi from Ajad House.
A very warm good morning to all of you. I am Tanis Jain from class 12th. I am from Ajad House.
Thank you. And from
Bhagat Singh House. My name is Aditi Yadav from Bhagat Singh House.
I am Cheena Namdev from Bhagat Singh House.
My name is Devang Namdev from Bhagat Singh House.
and from Patel House we have participants.
Good morning to all. My name is Brijendra Raghuvanshi. I study in class 10th. I am from Patel House.
I am Rashi Sharma from Patel House.
Good morning, dynamic teachers and dear student. My name is Vishal Kushwa. I am from Patel House.
My name is Riti Yadav. I am from class 10th and I am from Shivaji House.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Sivan Sahu from class 11 and from Shivaji House.
My name is Sheetal Prajapati and I am from Shivaji House.
My name is Poonam Raghuvanshi and I am from Shivaji House.
Your content, your facts and figure, कितने powerful facts and figure आप रखते हो. Second is your content, third is presentation skill and fourth is body language. On this basis it will be judged. Okay, so the first competition is between Azad House and Bhagat Singh House. Azad House will favor knowledge and Bhagat Singh House will favor skills. You don't have to make face market, okay? You have to put your points. आपको अपने points रखना है. And the total debate will be in English language only. We are starting from Azad House. Yes.
So, as all of us know that knowledge is the most powerful weapon in the world. Because knowledge is present, that's why we are gaining every information about anything. So that's why I'm supporting knowledge. In every aspect of the world, we need knowledge. In every sector of the world, we need knowledge. Be it primary, be it secondary, be it tertiary. In every sector, we need knowledge. Because without knowledge, we cannot understand anything. We can't present our skill without knowledge. That's why I'm supporting knowledge.
But it is not permanent that if you have a knowledge about anything but you have no skills, then how you can represent yourself in front of anyone. That skills is very important than knowledge. Skills, there are so many types of skills, that reading skills, learning skills. If you learn, then you will represent yourself. So skills are more better than knowledge.
Okay. You say that skill is important before knowledge, but I say that knowledge is very important before skill. If you have knowledge, then you will able to represent your skill. For example,
It is not permanent.
for example, if a tree, if an individual knows how to cut a tree, but if he does not have knowledge and he uses what to cut a tree, he uses hammer. that's the because of lack of knowledge. It will be a waste of time. It will be a waste of efficiency.
But it is not permanent that only a knowledge person can have a skills, or a knowledge person can spread their views with his but knowledge. But he can also express their words by skill. That if a magician, or we can say that a good example of Sachin Tendulkar, he have a great skills. He can demonstrate his skills.
knowledge.
He have a skills of cricket, playing cricket. That's why it is only about the practice of the game. Skills are a practicing game.
It means
So-
that knowledge is nothing, and you
No.
have to only practice.
You first we have to
means
do
you have to-
practice. Then after we easily get by the.
But we have to understand the instruction.
we get the experience of that thing.
The rules, then how we can play?
If we have knowledge but do not have If we have knowledge but do not have skill to share the knowledge in front of public, so then what is the use of knowledge?
If we have skill,
If we have knowledge but do not have,
knowledge, you can't reach to your goal. That knowledge you can't reach to your goal.
how can you represent your thought in public?
You need knowledge. Without knowledge, there is no. What is thought? Thought is also have knowledge.
We can also get an experience.
Experience, you are saying right. Experience, but experience is something is knowledge. Knowledge is only experience.
Skill, it is not compulsory, because skill is a talent or ability that comes from training or practice.
Yes, skill is a talent. Because that learning talent is a knowledge.
Learning skills is also a skill by which we can get a knowledge. So skills are more important than knowledge. Without skills, without the help of skill, you can't get knowledge. So skills are better than knowledge.
Without knowledge, you can't learn skill. Skill is only a knowledge.
A knowledgeable person can represent herself or himself, but a unknowledgeable person can represent himself or herself. But a knowledgeable person cannot represent himself or herself. What is logic behind this?
You are sitting confidently. Why? Just because of skill.
Because I have
you,
knowledge.
because
Because I
you
have
have
knowledge.
public speaking skill. That's why you can share your thought with public.
Okay, I will give you some facts. Okay, do you know UPSC exam? UPSC exam have 3 stages in which our concern is mains and interview. The total marks of mains is 1,750 marks. And what is in mains they test your knowledge. They test it is a theoretical paper. Okay, but okay, listen. But knowledge, but interview that is personality test, in which they test your personality, they test your skills, they test your communication.
But you can
total marks of
represent by
interview.
writing skill.
Total marks of interview is only 275. This is the difference. UPSC also knows. Also God knows. Every religion
If
has
you have
every
not
religion-
writing skills, why are you?
Every religion has a holy book in which
If you have no good writing
knowledge.
skills, then how you can represent yourself in
Without
any
knowledge,
exam?
what can I do?
Knowledge is waste. Skills are important.
If I don't have
you
knowledge, what
no
can I
skills,
represent?
then how you can write anything in the exam?
Even
Or anything
every religion has a holy book. In Mahabharata, Sri Krishna give Gita Gyan to Arjun. That is also a knowledge.
Communication is of knowledge to Arjun.
We fight to understand the
If he
disease
has
and
no
then
communication
we
skills, how he
create
can-
vaccine. In every sense, knowledge is needed. No one can, if
Without
someone
communication
is, okay,
skill, so how he can demonstrate or how he can represent to Arjun? It is my point.
Okay. If you are saying that an unknowledgeable person can represent himself, but a knowledgeable person cannot. What
By
is the
dancing,
logic?
There are 2 examples that if person
Okay.
have a dancing and represent his or herself on the
But for this he
audience
has
or
to-
in the front of anyone.
But for this, he has to know the dance, know the.
There is
thing.
no rules and regulation in dance or in singing competition. He only has to show their skills. It is compulsory that.
If he don't have knowledge where to dance, so he will dance on road. He have to knowledge that where to dance on stage. If he don't know knowledge, he don't know where to dance, so he will dance on road.
It is not compulsory that we know about that how we perform.
We know that by knowledge. We don't know that by knowledge. Without knowledge, you can dance on road.
By which we can also earn money. some people do dancing on the road and by
Earning
their
money is
skill,
another topic.
by their skill they can earn money. Without skill, how they can earn money?
To earn money, he have to dance.
If someone is poor, then how he can get knowledge?
If he has knowledge that I want to earn money, he have to be dance on in front of people. If he is dancing alone, what is the need of that skill?
Competition will be between Patel House and Shivaji House. The competition will be which is more better, online study or offline study.
Online. बच्चा किसी भी चीज को बार बार देगा. A child watch a content repeated or repeated to learn better than offline. Offline में they are in front of friends. Why they use Instagram? He only focused in his study because he is the front in our parents. I am unable to understand what I can see that if a child study online, the recorded content was available in online. They watch and read many times. They learn better than they learn in offline. One concept or one page was completed in one time in a 40-minute period. But what about it? There was a lot of time to learn not only the book. We have a time to learn the whole world, the whole concept, the whole courses because of online. But it decreases the concentration level of a student. Teachers clear doubt individually of every student. If you are unable to available online, you say your doubt was cleared by a teacher. What about the effective? But the teacher was not focused on one individual. What about discipline? They are attending the class during sleeping, they are attending the class during walking, they are attending the class during other activities. What about them who are focused on study? They are not disturb the focus of his mind.
What about that you are saying that online study? Because when for online study they are lying to their parents because always for studying they are saying that we are studying and they are chatting somewhere else or they are working another thing and especially they are playing PUBG and Free Fire because online it happens in COVID-19 time. So it is one of the most precious topic of aggressive topic in COVID-19 online study is totally based useless.
In pandemic time, when the whole world was closed, then the online study helped us to student to continue his study and learn everything. Because and the pandemic time, online classes or online courses given by teachers or institutions help us to continue the career of students. We also know the result of online classes. Yes. What about the result? The result will decrease. The result also decreases. No. The concentration level also decreases of the students. The ratio of study was increased. You can check that. I think if online study is beneficial.
Give 1 minute to remaining participants so that they can get chance.
Nowadays, online classes are much more better than offline classes because there is a time flexibility which comfort the students.
If you are talking about the comfort that students feel that students are getting lazy day by day in the online classes, and you are saying about that students also using Instagrams and FB on in front of their parents, so that is wrong because that is our personal matter and at the pandemic time there was a situation.
But if they are a student, he was ill or he or she was ill on that particular day.
That was a situation we have all studied and seen and read online studies. But that was not. But that is not a permanent study.
If there a student who was absent on that day, he missed that particular classes and he don't get topic on the whole year. But from the online classes, he revised that topic. He was taking day by day. He always clear his concept time to time.
But in online class, many of the side effects, eyes problem, healthcare, many of the side effects in online classes.
a side effect. I agree, but their students are get their favorite teachers, and in offline classes the teachers are afraid. Sorry, students are afraid from asking some questions to teachers. But in online students are agree to our favorite teachers, and there was many few are famous teachers as Khan sir, physics wala. But in online classes, network is not working. Many of the problem.
But the concept was cleared in online classes because the main is because the time. We have much of time in online classes, but in a school we have a very limited time, only 40 minutes.
Okay. So online classes we can only acquire the knowledge. What about implementation? What about practical subjects that we only play in
With the help of
ground?
graphics and new methods and new technology,
Will you play online cricket? Will you play online cricket? Will you do experiment online? Will you do experiment online? No, it is impossible.
This is not your business. The game is not in study. Okay.
What? If you are bio student, then every practical should be in
because of
offline
new
study.
graphics and new methods, we easily learn what the function was work in our body. Magnet Pen, the best example. Many students give the opportunity online to watch his content and learn everything. The new degrees was available in online.
You are talking of those examples who is also opened
To purchase the courses, so he started up free courses to learn everything online.
You are giving the examples of answer physics wala. They are also open offline classes. What about it? Why they are opening offline classes? Online classes is beneficial.
Okay, I agree. But in our India, approx 23 crore some pupils are rich, and blaze students are not able to go other state, and they are not able to study in online study. They are getting home study.
Government is
Started with the government have not this much facility, this much private studies.
government also opens the schools. Government schools. Modern
There is not this much. In online study, the teachers give her some facilities and show her experience to students.
Okay, so what is the definition of real education? We are talking about online and offline study, so we can talk on education. So what is the real definition of education? Do you know? Just yes. Let me tell you, because the combination of parents, teachers and students, and it is only possible offline classes, because we can learn discipline, culture, unity. That dress we are wearing, that it shows that we are in unity, that it shows that we are in culture, and we not only learn discipline, we learn many things.
Yes, I agree, but the students are studying in front of their parents. That's good. But in offline, the students are not studying with their parents. Their parents are helping home. But in offline classes, religions, caste does not matter.
Online classes
All
does not matter which caste do you.
is in school.
But what about it?
So let me counter your point. So can you repeat again what you said?
In online classes, it's also the caste was not depend. What caste did you?
No, because when we study online, so generally we made WhatsApp group. So you know that for in the WhatsApp group there are many caste and religions, but we don't let in study, because we are talking here study. So if we will talk about online study, so we learn how to behave offline study, because how we should talk to our teacher. Because if you will study online, so you will become introvert. You cannot become a public speaker. You cannot represent your skills, because you can implement only offline classes.
The concept was available. The great example, Mahesh sir, and this standard.
He is also giving offline classes. Then he is making their mindset good. After mindset, time up.
Now we have finished second debate competition. Before judging the competition, we would like to ask some question: how these activities are helping you to develop yourself?
Hello. Huh. Debate activities are very helpful in increasing our knowledge. Also, they increase our skills as well. They are very helpful in particular what in particular thing that we should accept others' point of view other rather than our own. We have to understand others' point of view as well. This is the main thing.
What are your point of view about these skills? And if I will talk about skills, because why without knowledge we cannot develop skills. Because after having a great kind of skills like public speaking, presentation skill. Talking about debate. Okay, debate. So in debate, not only we develop our, we can also represent our thought, because we can also represent and we can also correct our point, because we are saying that. So it will be increase our not thought generation skill and many skills. Thank you. The same question goes to Shivaji House. What are you learning from these skills, these activities?
From debate, I learned thought generation power. It should improve our thought generation power, and they help to improve us to in English speaking, and they also help us to improve our knowledge.
Let us ask to Bhagat Singh House what they are learning, how they are developing from these activities.
So we learn so many things from this type of competition. Like we can also learn the skills. Also, we can also learn how to represent ourselves and how we can do participate in competition.
Overall, you are developing your thought generation power, your confidence, your knowledge. Great. Now, for the winner, I would like to invite Siddharth sir.
So, first competition between Azad House and Bhagat Singh House, knowledge versus skill. Bhagat Singh House scored 28 points and Azad House scored 29 points. From Azad House, Tanish scored 13 points, and from Bhagat Singh House, Devang scored 11 points. Now, the next round, which was between Patel House and Shivaji House, offline versus online, Shivaji House scored 26 points, and Patel House scored 42 points. From Patel House, Vishal scored 15 points maximum, and from Shivaji House, Ritesh scored maximum 7 points.
So Azad House and Patel House are the winners of this competition.